G'day, today I find myself in Box Hill North and I'm with a team from My Home Turf, who are Australia's largest network of turf farmers and suppliers. Today I'm here to help a couple that are keen to improve the overall presentation and value of their home. As Helen and Aaron have a well-used front yard with dogs and kids, I recommend Palmetto Buffalo. Palmetto is the biggest selling buffalo in the world, and there's a reason for that. It's low maintenance, hard wearing, and has a very good shade tolerance.
The job's finished and it looks absolutely fantastic. I can't thank Dale and the team from My Home Turf enough.
First impressions really matter, and this job's now finished. What a difference it's made. It's increased the saleability of the place and increased its value dramatically.
Okay, so how good is that? A big thanks to the team from My Home Turf.